Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to share with you the biggest tip of all, which is always give a journalist your cell phone and make sure it says cell phone. By doing that, you're really showing them you're serious and you're available on their schedule. They don't have to go through your office or your assistant. By saying cell, you're saying, look, I'm here for you 24/7. What do you need? So I always encourage all of my clients, always give the media your cell phone number. So that is this week's PR tip. If you enjoyed this tip, please go to YouTube. We've got 2 years worth of PR tips, so you can learn so much. And if you want a condensed version of it, please join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, it's 10 minutes a day, and you will learn how to land media exposure for your business. So I will see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.